Hey guys, it's back on my channel. Okay, today we're doing another video with my friend.
No.
Alina!
I don't want to be here. Help me. I'm so wet.
Okay, so we are doing a shaken slime, and right now we've already did it. We got many fouls.
This was the finishing product.
We may have other ones like that. So right now there's pink inside of it, so all we're gonna do is just like shake it.
Just shake it crazy for a minute. Or until you hear no
Shake
sound.
it. Sweat. This is my friend Alina's slime. This is my slime. I made it a couple of days ago, and green slime. It was dripping. Okay, this is okay. So, I don't think we're done, but we're just gonna open it.
Just to check.
Okay. Let's see it.
Whoa!
I made it. Okay.
It's better than mine.
No, it's not. Don't touch it.
It is.
Don't touch it. It's
Look at
kinda
mine.
sticky.
Look at mine. It's trash. It's freaking trash.
What is this? What is this?
I will love it. I would
But
love. What if we mixed our slimes together?
Deal. Okay. We're gonna add it and mix. We can keep half. We'll show you guys the finish. It's like 3, 2, done.
Guys.
So we have finished it.
We also added the other slime
The
to
green
it.
slime.
Yeah.
And this is how it looks. We'll be keeping half of the slime.
There's glitter all over my. I'm the glitter monster now. Rawr.
Stop!
Rawr.
Stop! I don't make my friends
Okay.
ready. So
It's not stretchy at all.
Just make sure that.
Actually,
And also, we will send you
I stand corrected.
We will send you some of slime at this one. Some of the slime. Yeah, you get it. Okay, like that. And mix with this in some fan mail.
We should do orange.
Should we do orange?
Yeah, I think we should do orange.
Okay. Who's the viewers?
What?
Should we do orange?
I think we should.
Okay, let's do orange, guys.
Yeet!
And we're gonna mix it in. Scissors.
Okay.
Aline!
Did not expect that.
Pause the video. So I got them back, and I just made some activated because we have no more. Just gonna pour some of it in there. The camera. Move the camera to me. Not enough. More.
Yeah, that's enough because there's already enough activated on this.
Move the camera back. Move the camera back. Back. Time for shaking. Let me make some pictures, okay? Okay, oh, I forgot it was recording. Okay, we're gonna be shaking. Once you move the camera, because I'm barely in it. Just show half of your face. Can you just move back more? Just move back. You know, move back.
Who's paying this for anything?
Yeah.
People don't know what he's telling us about it. And as far as that part, if my child came to me and said, "Oh, so said this," I'm gonna question.
Yeah, I'm just. Yeah, I know it feels weird.
One.
We should make this into like a stress ball or something.
You know how there's like butterflies are so crazy insane over me? Like one of my Hey guys, we're gonna go check on it. sticky still. I don't know. I put a bunch of. Don't stretch it, Alina. Not you.
This is perfect. This might fix our slime.
Yeah. Stretch it when it's in the slime, okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna add the beads in.
Or a DNA thing, she said.
It's getting over there. Oh, need that.
Doesn't matter.
Guys, these beads are yellow, orange, red, and black. I don't know.
Green.
They're like some kind of army colors. Army colors, but. Okay. And. This one's actually really good. See? It's really good.
This slime actually. Are you sure you want to add this to this slime?
And we'll show you the finish of the 3.
No! We should have made that the thumbnail. We should make that
3,
the thumbnail.
2, 1. So.
You're not gonna post this, are you?
I am. This is what YouTube is about.
What? Nah. You are going to delete this.
Why not? Because we did the video already, so why not do it? So we're giving this slime free away if you just subscribe to our channel. We're giving half of the slime free away. Go to our channel and send us some friend mail. And yeah.
Wait, we said that we were gonna mix it.
Half, because this slime is really good.
Yeah, just now.
And we'll show you guys the pictures of the whole entire slime. 3, 2, 1, drop!
Hey everyone, we're back and this is just.
Okay, show them.
This is awful. No matter what we did, we tried to save it, but
What?
just couldn't become a reality. So like,
So
we're gonna have to call this a fail.
We're just gonna stick to this slime. And remember, we're giving it half away.
Gonna have to, unless you want this fail of a slime, want to try to
And
make
we'll also
it.
make you slime if you subscribe to our channel and like this.
And let's see your own slime creations, cause we want to know. And anyways,
That'll be it for today, and I will see you next time on my channel. Goodbye.